Guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's SD. So today I'll be showing you how to import my files into your SocksIP VPN. So the first thing we need to do, you have to make sure that you are in my group. So what we need to do is we head on to WhatsApp, as you can see here. So we go to WhatsApp, as you can see right there. Here's my group name, as you can see right there. So what I need to do is I have to enter. So when I go inside, as you can see here, I have a file here. It's called Camtair SIP, as you can see right there. This is Camtair Unlimited SIP. So what we need to do is you have to click on this Camtair file here. So what you need to do, you just click on it, So once you click on it, you're going to see all sort of applications. So as you can see there, we have SIP at the end. That's .zip, which is meant for SocksIP. So what you need to do is to, as you can see here, SocksIP import config SocksIP. So you just click on it, double click on it. As you can see right there, successfully, yeah, we have successfully imported. So for those of you that want to get into my group, as you can see here, you can just copy this, yeah, maybe in your message box or in your WhatsApp, then you click on it and you join us. Thank you for watching.